What's going on, guys? Today we're going to get this piece of shit started. No project car has ever beaten me, and this one's not going to be the first. Let's get to this, eh? Roll that intro.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Yeah. Oh, we're just going to test to make sure she fucking works. There we go. It works. Now let's put that in there. Once we put some fuel in there, of course. My aim is not that good, so I think I'll go find a funnel. This way. Point it towards me. Right, she's now fucking primed. I did that off camera. Now let's go turn on the juice, see what shakes loose, eh? Let's do it. Won't do that until I do this. Alright, didn't hear any funny noises, so that's a good thing.
Funny noises.
That's alright, I can do that. I hope. We have reds. And we have a bung fucking solenoid. Right. Okay. I'm ready to get my magic tool and smack the starter motor.
Let me guess, is it a hammer or a stick?
Very close.
Mix of both.
I've got to get to the fucking thing. Hello. Right, see if that works.
There goes the cat. Air conditioning. Yay, fight! Oh, you're right. What did he do? He nearly hit his head. Ow. Reckon we should try and clean the grass out of the fan belt. Yeah, it'll be fine. Start the solenoid?
Yes. You got the ignition on?
Yeah.
Is it popping? Right, off. On. Are you absolutely serious? This whole time, four pumps, and that's all it bloody was. I was prepared to take this entire bloody loom out and check it for a voltage drop, and all the time it was just four faulty friggin' fuel pumps. Ugh. Now I just got to solve this friggin' sticky solenoid. We're back in business, boys. You rolling?
Yeah.
Sorry you missed the start, but my cameraman decided to go take a piss. I had to take every chance I could. There, look at it. It runs.
It fucking runs.
Hey, hey. Yeah.
Oh, there's the shovel. Oh, that's where I saw the shovel. Damn it.
Right.
I saw it. Was around back. Fuck.
Yeah, boy.
Now do it again.
Yeah, okay.
Now, Ellie, you can see the start.
Yeah, I've got a whole heap of warning lights up there. Yeah, bad. ABS.
Well, ABS, it's probably because it's sunk so down far.
Let's see if you can move it.
No.
Good question.
That's not a bad idea.
Oh no.
How steps goes in the gear?
Reverse it back.
Yeah, that'd probably be a good idea.
Alright. Come around the front.
Say goodbye to the house.
Nah.
If you hear me shout, do not just stop.
Do not just stop.
Just stop if you hear me shout.
He doesn't want to move.
Because she's stuck in a hole. Hold on, let me look at this side.
Vibrating more than an atom.
Go again. That side's turning.
That side's spinning, this side ain't.
No, that's nothing strange. Alright. Go forwards.
Oh, there you go. Now the back one's spinning.
Yeah.
Now go
We
backwards.
need to push it. Try and rock it backwards and forwards.
New ground's reached. We can now rock it like a baby.
Out of the way. Move, Aaron.
The battery's gonna fall.
Hey!
Ah!
I pushed it!
Holy crap.
Oh,
That's alright. We know she moves. We know the brakes work. I think that's a win. Alright.
I was going to say, try and move it back out of the holes that she's in. That way it's easier to get at that solenoid when you've started again.
Alright. I think we'll now clean it out, eh? What do you think? Alright, we got it running. We know it starts and runs, but now we got to clean it out. Have a look at it.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Look at all this. Look at all this. So if it's in there, it's going in there. Let's get started.
Could have used that yesterday. Oh, no, we couldn't. Doesn't work.
Rubbish, yeah, rubbish.
Okay,
It's in.
see that over there?
Yeah, what about?
There's no one in it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Connor, I got you a hat. You might want to clean it out first.
Oh,
It's just
that's rare. That's rare.
Just
The working cigarette lighter.
Yeah.
You said you want to fix my bottle, right, Taylor?
Yeah. I can fix that right up. Hammer?
Yeah, chuck it
There you go,
all in.
add that.
Chuck this here.
Add that in the boot. No, hang on. I'll put that in the boot of your car. Never know if you.
There.
Cooking, I've put it in the. Cooking,
Yeah.
I've put it in the blanket.
Thank you.
It's actually pretty good condition.
Yeah, well, chuck it in the box. Everything that's not rubbish goes in the box.
More bits of door trim. Old newspaper.
A pen, let's see if it still works. Conclusion, it does not.
Yeah, we've got to get all this rubbish out. We've got to vacuum. Come on, young apprentices.
A One Direction pen.
Ah, that's nice. That's a paper band.
Ah, shit.
Isn't that right, Sky?
Working?
Yeah.
Yeah, chuck it in the box.
One direction's your favourite band, right?
I found one of your pens. That is an old kite.
And the box.
Bloody boy.
I'm pretty sure that one's fine. And I've got one on what was it? Christmas colour, right? It's orange.
Yeah, okay.
And opened as well.
I'm glad you're handling.
Yeah, chuck that in.
What?
Uncle Craig, there's a puppy.
You got a puppy?
Yeah.
Okay. A remarkable difference, wouldn't you say? But now, we've got a vacuum. So let's do that. Don't scare the cat. Wow, I'm actually pleasantly surprised at this. Still needs a shampoo, but that's a job for another day. I can't be stuffed at the moment, but right now, I'm very, very pleased at the way it turned out. But any improvement over what it was is a good improvement. Alright guys, I think that'll wrap it up. We got it running, that's all I set out to do. And we got it cleaned. Next part is paint and panel. No, not paint and panel, not yet. We need to get more fuel for it because I'm pretty sure the 3 litres I put in has been sucked up and blown out the exhaust pipe already. We tried cranking on it off video and she wouldn't fire. So I'm pretty sure that 3 litres of fuel is gone. So, gonna get more fuel, another starter motor, because that starter motor is cooked. But all that is another video's problem. I'm done, I'm over it. It runs, I know that. So it's gonna have about another month and it'd be at paint and panel. But for right now, I'm out of here. I can't be stuff touching it anymore. It's clean, it runs, well, cleaner than it was. It runs more than it did. And I'm gonna call that a win. So if you want to see it more, you gotta like and subscribe. Peace.